Hey, it's Dan Dan the Lego Man, back at you with another speed build. Today we have the DC Universe superheroes, Superman Black Zero Escape from the film Man of Steel. This is set number 76009, and it consists of 168 pieces. It comes with 3 minifigures. We got Superman, General Zod, and Lois Lane. Appears that this is a little scene from the movie Man of Steel. I think Zod has kidnapped Lois Lane and Superman has to fight to get her back. So I'm just gonna flip the box. You can see the actual size of Superman minifigure there. Distribution, box number, Superman, DC Universe superheroes. So on the back, we have the number. We have the gun. You can see a detailed shot of the gun that's included on this base plate type of part here. And then we have Lois Lane, how she fits in this escape pod. And then there's a secret door where Zod can walk through. And then we see a little battle between Zod and Superman, one of his arch rivals. So I think we're just gonna begin and get started and All right, we're back, and we just completed building set number 76009, Superman Black Zero Escape, from the DC Universe Superheroes collection of Legos. This set was a pretty quick build. It took me about 45 minutes. It is only 168 pieces, but I think there's still enough in this set. A lot of detail, especially in the spaceship. Looks really good. The jets in the back look really cool. And they're all articulating. I do have an extra thing. I don't have a way to attach anything to it though. But the cockpit opens up and Lois can come on out of the spaceship. And this will land. I think Zod uses this to capture Lois. Superman looks really good.